All right. As I've just said, Chinese economy is rather weak recently, and some of the industries in China, like real estate and steel, resources, basically they are suffered from quite significant impacts recently. Um, Therefore, many of the bank loans where they're lending to respective industries, as we not just only China, but all over the world, real estate, basically they cover quite a significant portfolios of the bank loans. So for respective industries, they are basically, say, covering quite a strong portfolio of respective banks, particularly for the SOE banks and the local SOE banks. Therefore, China needs to be very cautious in managing respective industries to make sure the financial industry would not be collapsed or would not be significantly affected by the respective low performance or the poor performance of respective industries. Many of the local governments, we also see them are raising debts or by issuing bonds in order to support the growth and also the, say, daily usages of respective provinces or cities. Whilst we also see that recently there are some defaults in respective bonds, which also affect the confidence of investors as well as the Chinese nationals in the financial industry. Definitely one very key reason, not just only for China, but also for other countries, whilst it is even stronger in China, is the effects from pandemic. As we see that for the past, say, 12 months, many countries have already reopened their doors, whilst China is still undergoing a closed door policy, where the overall economy is not being, caught up by doing international trade and also international businesses. So they are more relying on the domestic markets, where domestic consumption and also the domestic GDP is not growing in that large extent. Therefore, we see that the financial industry is still undergoing some kind of, effect by this perspective. Nevertheless, we should trust the Chinese government, as they should have plans and also methods to cope with the current situations to maintain a stable and healthy financial industry, as that is very critical to have a stable for maintaining the stability of the country.